Hey everyone, Joe Eby here from Sydney Listings. If you can't see me, drag the screen around, make sure you move it around, zoom in and out as you please. We're in Unit 7 at 28 Herbert Street in West Ryde today. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-car space apartment. It's set at a super convenient location. I love West Ryde as an area. I'm a local too here. You're very close to Top Ryde Shopping Centre, a 5-minute drive. Parramatta's is 10-15 minutes. The city's probably 25. You're a very well-serviced area. Specifically this spot though, on a really nice corner development, you've got so Ryde Road shops just up there, so groceries and everything are just up there, some really great coffee shops, some real good gems up there, and also the West Ryde train station is about just 100 metres away, 150 metres away from here. So you're very well set up, and it's not far from the Interior Road, Victoria Road. So you've got a very, very spacious apartment here, a beautiful, nice, open feel with the way the glass and the screen doors have been done here, the way you look out onto the balcony on an angle is a very rare apartment configuration. You really don't see that too often. And to have that kind of wrap, because again, you're on the corner. So let's go outside. Just get a feel for that. You're looking straight across the road at Anzac Park. So it's a beautiful thing to kind of have across the road, not just to look at, but for the ambience, but also to, obviously a nice place to park yourself from time to time, sit down, soak in the greenness. Coming back inside. All right. So we're also quite fortunate with this one. I'm going to set this down again. That the kitchen is just so large, so have a good drag around there. You've got a dishwasher. But you've also just got plenty of wraparound space. In the newer apartment builds we see, you don't typically find this generous kitchen space for this price range. Coming back through. Second bedroom. Built-in wardrobes. I'll note as well, while we're walking around, there's no lift in this building, just as honesty is the best policy. There's a couple of flights of stairs to get up here. But yeah, big main bedroom, much more spacious. Ensuite in here. It's quite nice. And then if we're to wrap back around, okay, so here's your little laundry. Comes with the dryer. And finally you got the main bathroom, which has a lovely little bathtub. Okay, and there is a roller door just for a common parking area down below, so that's very secure. But yes, if you don't want to miss out on the convenient location, just get in touch with us via the ad or the Sydney Listing website. We're more than happy to help. Thank you.